Now, how about drums? An instrument everybody loves.
Hi, good morning, Charles. Hi, Charles. Charles, can you send the streaming link here in the chat, please? And then we will have the first group start. Cindy, you send me your Frame.io link in Facebook or the Messenger so that I can share with Dr. Charles. Theirs is future world.
Okay, I'm gonna transition. Now we are looking at the frame browsers. I'm going to shift to each frame. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frames open. So we
Okay.
have 5 frames in total, yeah?
Yes, that
Okay.
I received
All right.
from those who have submitted. So we will try do the first 5 first.
Okay. So today is the presentation for the future of IT by IT Fundamentals class, facilitated by the lecturer, Dr. Goh Wei Wei. So so if any teams want to start first, let me know.
Yeah, the first one, the future world.
Future world is the first one, yeah? Okay.
Yes, yes.
Got it. So this is future world right now. So future world, you have one person to unmute. And let me know where is your presentation slides and guide me there. Good morning, future world team. I cannot hear you, guest 543. The user is not logged in, it's not activated connections. Guest 543. I notice how about another user whose mic is activated? Yep, I just heard Mattis coughing. Guest 543, I cannot hear you. But I think you're muted and also you are not logged in for some reason. I'm not too sure why. Some of you are leaving frame and probably coming in again. Yep, I'm not hearing anybody from anyone there at the moment. Maybe because I'm in this zone. I think this is a private zone, so I need to come out of it. Okay. Let's see if I could hear anyone now. Mattis, strange. I can't hear you. Hang on. Mattis, are you there? I could hear some voices from...
Teacher, can you hear me, teacher?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, we're preparing.
Ginger, that's you.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So you might want to speak nearer to the mic or something. Okay, try to speak to me when I'm coming out of that box. Can you hear me, Ginger?
随时 Sorry, I closed the
Okay,
mic.
good. I can hear your voice. Okay, let us know when you're ready. We can start your presentation anytime. The space here looks very
Can you
interesting.
see? You can see all the grass and the car, right? The decoration.
I could see everything here. There's a nice exhibition space you got here.
Okay. Yeah, really, because some of our group still cannot, still are not able to see the decoration.
Let me know once you're ready to present.
Hi, teacher, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Barely, but you want to speak. Make sure you speak closer to the mic. Or, yeah. If you're going to use, if you think the voice is not coming out very well in Frame, then you can use Teams, but make sure Frame is muted. So Teams, your voice can come out of Teams, but switch off your camera in Teams. So that's another trick. So you can actually do that. Yeah. So you're using the mic in Teams, but if you're going to use the mic for Frame, then you have to mute Teams. So that is if you want to run both applications together. So whoa, what happened? Whoa, what happened here? Everything has gone white.
Hi, sir, can you see me?
Hang on, I'm refreshing my frame. I'm back. Okay, I'm back.
Charles, actually, when I try to talk using Matthias' mic, you can't hear me as well.
If you try to talk using the what?
Matthias' account.
Oh, right. Interesting.
I think the voice is not visible.
Yeah,
It's
maybe
not audible. Or
the
I
audio.
will ask them the audio, but they have created the frame, so we will use the frame, and then just ask them, one of them, to log into the frame to Teams to present.
Yes, yes, yes. I think that will be better.
Okay.
So, sir, do we need to go into the Teams?
Yes. You can go into Teams, but make sure everyone is muted and only one person have the mic on.
Okay.
The presenter only have the mic on, because otherwise there'll be a lot of echo. And make sure you mute frame mics. Everyone must mute frame mic as well. Hey guys. We kind of look alike there. Interesting avatars. Lovely. Well, I just realized that the eyes are moving. Oh, okay, that's cool. I really like this exhibition space. I really like what you did with this space. Nice work. There's the car there, and there's got moving animation. Some like floating bots or something. I like these dresses that's being exhibited. That's awesome. And I can see in the distance there's a static robot as well. Cool. Looks very futuristic. It's almost like you're looking at something that's quite futuristic here. And you got a photosphere right there, up there. Some kind of animation sphere, and it's pretty cool. Okay, ready when you guys are.
Teacher,
Yep.
the teams I already joined, but only have me.
Only have you, is it?
Yes. 我不懂，因为这个 Teams 里面我进去啊，就只有我一个人哦。
I think it's fine because we're just using Teams for the audio. And Teams is picking up the audio better.
So do I need to invite Dr. Goh?
I think isn't Dr. Goh in the same Teams link?
诶， 我好像知道中不了，
I will send them the team link again.
因为这个 ITF 是平时上课的那个 link。
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
What happened?
Hello.
Now let me send them the Teams link again.
Okay, all right. The audio is much better. Teams pick up the audio better apparently. So interesting.
我觉得他们应该是在不同的 teams。这样好像那个。哦，OK。
I think for frame, right, in future must use headphones, because that one, I think maybe the audio will be better when they use headphones for frame.
Yeah. Teacher, can you invite me into your into the teams?
Okay.
Okay.
Invite you.
Oh.
Okay. Let's see. I think Dr. Goh is no wait. I'm actually in Dr. Goh's
Present from the frame IO.
全部人的那个 free 关掉那个麦，不然等一下。
Okay.
House, are you?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
So, Dr. Goh, are you inviting them to this? I think.
Pei, they are in the Teams. They will be using the Teams audio, and then they will present their frame IO.
Okay. All right. So Penny and Ginger, I think it doesn't matter. I think the important thing is we hear you.
Okay.
So you can just continue. Just keep us informed when you're ready, so we can continue doing this. Continue the presentation.
Okay. So, do we need to find you? Picture.
Wait, okay, wait, let me refresh the frame again, because I think there was a short, somehow the connection short disconnect, and I'm back again, so I'm just gonna
Okay.
I'm back now. Hang on, I'm coming back. You'll see me appearing.
Okay. See you. Hi.
All right. You see me there now, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So I just start.
Yes. H, can you mute yourself?
I already
Okay.
mute myself.
All right. Got it. Right. Okay. If you can start when you're ready.
Okay. So hi everyone. This is our shop, and then nowadays technology is getting advanced and advanced. It's not to mention in 2035 technology it improve very fast. So we predict that in the future robot has start to integrate into our life. So for our topic, we create a shop in Frame.io to offer a better service. Our shop have adopt robot to help us. Our shop offer a full robotic service to all of our customer, and they can help us to save cost to high human staff. And we all know robot can reduce the mistake that human make. Hello, you semua take to now. Hello.
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Oh.
I'm hearing
Oh,
you.
okay.
Yeah, the stream is picking up the voice. But the thing is, who is speaking now? Penny or Jin? Who is speaking?
Penny.
Penny. Okay, got it. Yeah, so I'm following your avatar. If you're moving, then I'm going to follow your avatar. So continue, please.
Okay, so here is our environment, and this one is our service center, and we have the board to show it the feedback to our customer. That our customer can just feedback like, do you like our service, and just put yes or no. Okay, and then this will be the press display, and this is our service robot. This. Okay, and this one is something like the search bar to let the customer can choose what clothes or anything in our store they can find at here. Okay, and follow me. And this one is our cleaning robot. It will be the biggest, and this can be mop and take care of our environment here. And this large robot, and this one is for display and to introduce this shop. Yeah, and also here is our cashier, and this one the black color and smelling robot. This one is our manager. Okay, next I will pass it to Ginger, which means the Ginger to continue the presentation.
Okay. Go ahead, Ginger.
Sorry. 听到我讲话。Hi, Dr. Charles.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
可以开大声点。听到你讲话。So my name is Caesar. I will continue for the presentation.
Got it.
In our store, we provide three main different types of robots. First is our service robot. So I will bring you to go and see a robot. I am using spectral sound.
So this is a service robot. Teacher,
Yes.
are you using Penny account?
Okay.
Hello.
You're using Penny's account.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. So I have to follow Penny. Got it. Okay.
Just follow the
Yeah,
PP.
just follow.
All right.
And this blue color thing is the service robot.
Got it.
So service robots help to serve customers and they are able to answer the simple basic questions. Also, they can assist our customers in the whole shopping process. For instance, they can help to choose the perfect size to fit through the customer body shape of the clothes, and they are able to answer the price and the materials of the clothes. And also, they can execute the instructions by the customer that are under the regulations and command we have set. And also, they can have a simple conversations with our customer. Moreover, our service robot can also help to serve our customer with some drinks and a biscuit, and they also can analyze the customer's mood and the hobby by talking with them to provide a better service.
我觉得累。
Got it.
Teacher, you can hear me, right?
Yes, I can.
Okay. And so that's the reason why our service robot is the most expensive robot in our store. So moving on, I would like to pass the presentations to Zitong. And she also using this avatar account.
Please follow me to the yellow robot.
很可爱而已。
Now I will introduce the functions of the cleaner robot. Cleaner robot have bigger size than the other two robots. Their function is to make sure the cleanliness in our store and they are able to sweep, mop and sanitize our store. Furthermore, our cleaner robot can control the temperature of the air conditioner to provide the best temperature to our customer. Also, they make sure the security and safety in our store. If they have detected any suspicious person, they will directly reach to our worker and send the information to the management. So, cleaner robot have helped to maintain the cleanliness and safety in our store. And now I will pass it to Eddie.
So, Eddie, are you using your own avatar or using Penny's or?
Yeah, no, I'm using a Penny's avatar.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. So lastly, we also have a cashier robot. Cashier robot have less functions compared to service robot. It only can scan through the clothes and assist the customers to make the payment. Our cashier robot can scan through all the QR code and deduct the payment automatically from customers' e-wallets. However, our cashier robot are unable to interact with our customers like the service robot, and also it also can sum up all the total amount of payment and straight away straight away send to the financial department so they can do the accounting work. Yeah, that's it. That's all for me. So next I'll pass to Angel.
Hi, I'm Angel. Can you hear me?
Yep.
So in conclusion, this is all of our design for the store in 2035. We believe that our idea will be achieved soon. Full robotic service is a very cool thing for all of us. Robot helps to speed up the process and reduce the mistake that can be made by humans. Thank you. That's all of our presentation.
Thank you very much. Well done. It's a very unique presentation
We know.
where you could you actually created an exhibition space rather than using the conventional slides and show and tell using the slides. You decided to use assets and customize the space to give an illustration of what the future will be in terms of robotic, artificial intelligence, its functions, and etc. So I think that's a really good effort. Despite the audio issues, but I think it's a good presentation. Thank you very much. That's from me. Dr. Goh, over to you, and maybe the next group.
Yeah, okay. So thank you very much. Very good presentation. And it is very interesting that I hope that all of you in the class have seen the design and the creativity of Sinzi Group on what is the future of the store in 2035. So this is a good idea for us and a good chance for us to learn what will happen in future through the presentation of the frame IR, the virtual reality, rather than using the presentation slide to present only. It is really a very good effort from the team. Thank you very much. Sinzi, your group can come back already.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
come back. Yeah, next group. What is your group name? No, the frame I also that I can ask. Future Metaverse. Charles, you go to one.
Future
Charles?
Metaverse. Okay, so
Yes.
I'm going to leave this frame
Okay.
and I'm going to the future Metaverse. Hang on. Okay, I will need to refresh some of these frames. Just one moment. Okay. It's does it say welcome to the metaverse? Yes, that's right.
But in the YouTube streaming, I'm still in the old frame. Charles?
Yeah, hang on. I'm refreshing it. So we have I'm in the future metaverse frame for this group. Now I think I see there are two people here. Chen Yi, you're here. Are you here, Chen Yi? I see you're here. Are they no, I don't see your avatar.
They are leaving the room to get ready, Charles.
Got it.
So just bear with them for
Okay.
2 minutes and wait for them to one of them to join the teams as well.
Got it.
I think the first group have done a very good presentation
Yep.
for the future world. Yeah, okay, so Chen Hui is here.
Okay.
Chen Hui, can all of your group members join the world?
We only have 2 members joining our own frame because 2 no battery.
I think it's okay. You all can just take turn to present with 2 avatars.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, Charles, over to you.
All right. So who's presenting? And whose avatar I should follow? I need one of you to advise me. Is it Jared or is it Chen Yi?
Jared, this is Jared.
Jared. Okay, so I'll follow Jared around with the X mask for some reason. Okay.
Okay, so on my side is a customizable NFT avatar, which is you can customize your own avatar with the NFT you own, but it is only applicable with non-profile picture NFT. Like as you can see, the above one is CryptoPunk is not applicable because it is 2D and it don't have the body shape, so our AI system couldn't detect the rest of the body part, so cannot show up.
I see.
Yeah. So on the right hand side, we have our payment place, which is we can pay anything with your crypto, which is behind of you. Yeah, behind of you. Yeah. And here the graph is updated 24 hours 7 with investing.com, so you can check whether the rate of your cryptocurrency and how much it is worth. And I will pass it on to my next member. Yeah, still follow Jared. Still follow Jared.
Okay.
Okay. Hi. Hi.
Hello?
Yeah.
It's kind of soft though, your voice. Okay.
Okay. Here is the portal
Got it.
on my app, this one.
Mm-hmm.
If you enter it, you will enter to a discussion room.
I see.
Yeah. And this is the example of it on my left. The image on the beside the portal.
Got it.
Yeah. And another side is the meeting room. Portal to the meeting room. And here is the example of it on the left.
I see.
Where you will be going. And that's all for me. I'll pass on to my members.
Okay.
Okay, so here, right in front of me, you can see there's a convention center.
Mm-hmm.
And in front is the portal to the convention center. To the left here, you can see an example of it. A Nike store where you can go in and buy all your shoes and all the bags. Yeah. And you can apply all these items to your avatar and also ship to your house afterwards. Right. Here, here when you here you can have your own car here where you can enter and you can drive to another place.
Right. Like I didn't know that. Okay, cool.
And for the last one, I think I'm going to pass it on to Chanyi to explain about the presentation.
Hello.
Hello.
Continue following me, yeah?
Okay, I'm following Jared's avatar.
So we are going to the front.
Got
The front is basically like a stage. It's a stage where people can join your meeting, join the world and have meeting here. And presenters in front can make presentation slides and stuff and present it in the front to promote your product, like what Apple did.
Right.
Yeah. So basically what we did was the future trends of IT. It's like a museum and combination of shops. Yeah.
So that's the point you're making.
Yep. Yep. Like there's multiple trends, like the crypto payment and the NFT avatar. And then there's also teleports, which brings you to the discussion room and the meeting room. And you can buy shoes and convention center and stuff.
Okay.
Yeah. That's all.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you, future metaverse team. Also using exhibition space to do the presentation. Some funny bits like there's a car and you can get inside and drive to one place to another. Well, that's a classic, a classic statement. Apart from that, yeah, I see your point. Interesting to have to show the crypto payment. You're touching on crypto, NFT avatars. That's very, very interesting. Discussion room. The future is here. I think a lot of emphasis could have been made on the NFT avatar and crypto payment. I suppose that donkey picture is a kind of an example of a avatar painting. But yeah, I see your point. The metaverse comprises of different locations within this world, and is a commercial and its commercial implications as well. So thank you. Welcome to the metaverse team. Good work.
Okay, thank you very much. Well done to the team. Chen Yi and Chen Hui, the team. It is very interesting that you present the future of 2035, that all the payment will be through the crypto, and also you can create your NFT avatar yourself in the convention center. So it is very interesting and creative. Well done. Now we will move to the next group. Daniels, your group. May I know your frame IO link? Chen Yi, your group can come back already. AW 4Y.
Away. Got it. Okay, I'm here. This looks like definitely like a holiday place. Interesting. Whoa. Very interesting. So who do I follow and who's presenting? Mr. Handsome, is that you? I'll wait.
They are moving to, they are going outside, so just bear with them for 2 minutes.
Got it. Got it. Pretty interesting though. Look at that.
Okay, Daniel, when you all are ready, you can unmute yourself.
So you guys also, if you experiment with Frame, you can also upload different environments too, custom environments. But if you do upload custom environments, you will need to optimize it. So when you optimize it, they will have navigation points in the environment, so you would know where to navigate, and in sense of scale will be just right. Some environments have the right sense of scale and some are not. As long as you follow the right specifications, requirements, file size, then you're okay. So you should experiment with that. It's actually quite interesting. There are environments also in Sketchfab that you can download.
Daniel, are your group ready?
Yes, Chair.
All right, okay, good. Over to you, Charles.
All right, away team. I call it away, I think, because it's spelled as AW4Y.
Yes.
So that's interesting. So who do I follow? Who's presenting?
There's only. Wait. We should follow the people from you. Do you see?
Hence the handsome avatar.
Yeah, handsome.
Okay, so I'll follow handsome. All right.
So what we'll be doing today is we are going to present to you about the future of IT in the healthcare industry. So firstly, I will go first. I am Daniel. As the Goh always call me Don. Okay, so we will look into the first thing. So if you see, do you see him moving?
Yep. Continue.
Sir, you are muting yourself in the Teams.
Sorry. Yeah, I'm unmuted now.
Okay.
Okay, continue, please.
So first thing first, we are going to have the wheelchair-mounted robotic arm to assist patients with spinal injury. Actually, we already put the 3D model, but I'm not sure where it goes. I think it lost somewhere in the space.
Right.
So we will move.
It's okay. You can just continue.
Okay. So the second one, we are going to present to you the exoskeleton suit. As you can see at the right side, that's the suit itself to help those with disabilities about the spinal injuries, to assist their daily life activities. So when they have the exoskeleton suit, the suit will give themselves the better support system, like you can see in the video. The video was demonstrated by a father and his son. So yeah, this thing happens about 3 to 4 years ago, and then they will be implemented it soon now. So I will pass to my friend Anas, which is the handsome itself.
So I still follow your avatar, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can see at the right side, which is the virtual reality in healthcare. You can see like
Yes.
doctors are using the VR.
Yes.
VR to replicate the heart.
Augmented reality.
How is so at the right side here is like how it's specifically used for healthcare. So there's 5 of them, which is pain management, utility for children, medical training, mental health, and psychological therapy dentistry, which is really useful for the future. For all of this, and then next we have micro robots, which have the like 1 minute video here. So micro robots, which is like robots that in size which is small, that put in body like which is actually can beat the cancer cell, which is very important for the future.
Interesting.
So you can see here, there's a heart, Fabricated hard, made in Ohio.
Made in Ohio.
Then,
Interesting.
all for this section. Then let's go to the let's go to the this section here.
Okay.
So for this one, I pass it to Tammy. Good morning. Am I audible? Hello?
Yeah, listening.
Yeah. So I'll present how future of IT affects everyday healthcare.
You're not very clear, Tamir.
Hello?
Yes.
So humans are slowly beginning to trust robotic systems more, and because of that, robot-assisted procedures are becoming more accessible. So as of robotics, they use AI to automate lab work performed. They assist surgeons to assist them for complex surgeries. AI helps in disease diagnosis. They improve the process of diagnosing diseases. They also help in decision making, accurately predicting the course of disease for better decision making. Then next, the patient monitoring and personalized care. AI offers wearable devices and monitoring patients, helping identifying any serious illness or health risk. AI also analyzes data to find treatment. So I have also added few pictures which shows the robotics and stuff which are used in daily healthcare. There are a few pictures of wearable devices and robots that are used in healthcare. So that's all. So let's go to the next section, which is.
Got it.
So we go to the next section, which is
Excuse me. Okay, go on. I'll follow you up.
Yeah, the upper level.
Cool. Going up a level there.
Yeah, for this I pass it to Ayman.
Nice.
Hello? Hello?
Are you speaking? I can't hear you.
Oh, hello?
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 Yeah, I hear you now.
Okay, so for my section, I'm going to talk about the advantage of robotic in medical sector, and there are many advantages that we can. Wait, I'm going to show you. There are many advantages of using robotic in medical, and one of them is it help healthcare worker, and it's also improve patient care, as it make like children more healthier if they see a robot in the hospital, and it's also help to arrange all the medical things in the hospital. And the second one is it will improve the environment for the patient, as there is more robots it will make the environment more cleaner and safer to be used. Then the third one, it will increase the efficiency when we are processing in a clinical setting or in a hospital, where in a surgeon process usually it will take hours and it's gonna make the doctor, the surgeon, get tired easily. So with the help of the robot, it will increase the efficiency and help to improve the process to be faster. The third one, it will reduce the surgeon fatigue, as I said before. When the surgeon perform the surgery, it will increase the stress to the doctor. So if there is a robot for it, then it will solve the problem. Well, it can use for major and okay. The last one, it will be it will reduce the patient trauma. Well, some people might say when they see a doctor, they might get scared of the doctor. So maybe with the help of robot, it will reduce the trauma. But it depends on the people also. Yeah.
Yeah, I think what you say is true. It depends on who is afraid of machines or not.
So now I'm gonna pass to Amira. So just go straight. Yeah. Okay, you can come with me.
Okay, I'm following your avatar.
Tunggu ah. Hello sir. Huh? Hello sir, can you see me? Nini.
I hear you.
Okay, let's go. Follow me. I was cheating. Okay, now. So can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, now I will explain about the disadvantage. Look out. Look out, how are you?
You were saying?
Okay, now I will explain about the disadvantage of robotic in hospital. Okay, we move to the slide. For the ball, robotic can increase the treatment cost. This is because almost all of treatment and surgeries involving technology are extremely expensive, such as robotic surgery. Because of the cost of the machines of surgery are very expensive, therefore the cost of treatment also expensive. Next, we the second point, which is robotic can display incorrect result of the patient condition. This is because technology machines are made by engineers and programmers. Sometimes there is error and bugs come into it. As a result, it didn't work properly. If it shows the wrong result to the patients, therefore the patient life might be in danger. Okay, now we move to the third point, which is robotic also can damage the cells and organs of the patient. For example, lasering surgeries. Nowadays, lasering surgeries have become very popular. However, it has a lot of negative impact to our body. This is because laser has chemical materials which is very harmful and can damage our internal organs. And the next point is security and privacy issues. This is because in the future, I believe that all information about the patients will be kept by the robot. However, we all know that robot can be hacked, right? So, all the information can be leaked by someone. So because of that, it is very dangerous for robot to use in medical industry. And the last one is potential for mechanical failures. For instance, system components like robotic arms, camera, lens, and others can be failed. Imagine if suddenly the robot has mechanical failure during the surgery process. This can be dangerous, right? Because of that, we should avoid to use robots in health and in healthcare industry. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you. That's all from us. Thank you.
All right, good job, away team. This is very interesting presentation. It's got 2 levels here. And it's interesting how you arrange the slides. Technically wise, you arrange the slides in all the exhibition blocks, and you put your assets at a place where it's obviously not too distracting to the slides, and each of the slides are animated. It's very interesting, and you have, and content wise it's really good, very consistent theme overall. The application of robotics, which means the implication of the future of IT in healthcare, very interesting, and the advantages and the disadvantages are also mentioned. So this is a very nice and excellently done, and it's almost like I'm actually learning from it too. So good job, this team, away team. Well
Yes.
done.
Yes, well done. It is very impressive for the whole presentation that you have designed, that you created them into 2 levels. It is like we have the ground floor with some of your presentation, and then you bring us to the second floor with the left wing and right wing for the presentation. And this is awesome. This is a very good like walkway to bring around the person for the exhibition. And I like all the iconic features here that is waving to us, like calling us to visit them,
Yeah.
and to look at the exhibition, to listen and to learn from you. So it is a very creative and innovative design. So well done, Daniel and the group. So thank you very much. You can come back already.
Nice work.
We have 2 more groups. The next group is the IT Fundamental 2305 frame. Can you check it out, Charles?
Doing that now.
They are
refreshing the frame.
They are moving out of the classroom to go to a venue.
Okay.
That they will start the presentation very soon.
Got it.
Thank you very much, Tamir and group. So after that, Xiaoheng, your group, you will have to present. You all go outside like what they are doing as well. You can join the...
Interesting, very big hall here. Very big auditorium. Massive, it's the biggest lecture theatre.
Matthias, when you are ready, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, can you hear us, Miss?
Yes, we can.
Okay, perfect. I will start. As you can see, we have...
Sorry, where's your avatar? Which one? Vic? Is it Vicken?
That's Vic. Oh, I will walk in front. One moment.
You are you Alexander
Yes,
or?
I'm Matthias. Matthias.
Oh, you're Matthias. Okay, got it. So which avatar shall I follow? Oh, you're down there. Okay, got it. Oops.
Now in front of the...
One moment. I gotta refresh the. Gotta refresh this. Okay, I'm here. I'm back. Can you see me?
To be honest, I don't see any characters because my laptop is not that quick with the rendering.
Okay, hang on.
But I can do the presentation.
Okay, I'm rejoining. Okay, I'm right down here. I'm here now. Can you hear me, Matthias?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, you can start.
Okay, so if you stand in front of the podium, you can see three major screens. We have healthcare, robotics, and automation, and military. We have three areas where we want to talk about today. I will start with the center one, which is robotics. We have three robots here. The first one is this one. It's from Boston Robotics. Boston Dynamics. This is a robot which is being used for space missions.
I'm hearing some echo. I'm hearing some echo. Someone's mic is on.
Yeah.
Someone's Teams mic is on. I mean, your just make sure, Matthias, your Teams, your mic is the only thing on. You can continue, Matthias. Checking. Sorry to interrupt.
Yeah, my mic. There's one who has his mic on. I'm not sure who.
They need to check their YouTube streaming.
Oh yeah, you can. Mute that.
Yes.
I think it's fine, Matthias. You can continue. Oh,
Okay.
I'm still hearing my echo though. But never mind.
That's not good now. But all the people here have their mics muted, so it must be someone.
Yeah.
No. Yeah, I think that's the problem. Can I mute you in the frame?
Continue.
Yeah, now it's better, I think.
All right. Go
okay,
on.
So the center robot is like the robot arm, and we put it in to demonstrate that we expect that in the future a lot of automation will find place. So the factories of the future will be more automated, less physical workers, and more automated. This also supposes some risk, maybe the loss of jobs. But I do think, and we expect that in the future also new jobs will be created by technology, so it's not really a problem. And then all the way here, I don't know if you can still follow me. Oh, we put in this robot cleaner because we do think that in the future people will use robots as their personal assistants and make their own life more convenient. So this can be done for cleaning, but also in healthcare, where my colleague will talk about in a minute. It's like an assistant who will help you perform the daily tasks, and we will automate our own lifestyle. And then I will pass it to healthcare or military, guys. Who wants to start? Yes. Okay, we can go to healthcare, which is on the left side, and Fikke will talk about healthcare.
Are you flying? Oh, okay.
Do you see Fikke, sir? Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So about healthcare, the future of healthcare is shaping up in front of our eyes with advances in digital healthcare technologies such as artificial intelligence, VR, AR, 3D printing, robotics, or nanotechnology. We have to familiarize ourselves with the latest developments in order to be able to control technology and not the other way around. The future of healthcare lies in working hand in hand with technology, and healthcare workers have to embrace emerging healthcare technologies in order to stay relevant in the coming years. So the future of health that we envision is only about 20 years, so about 2045 will be a world apart from what we have now, based on emerging technology, as I said, and we can be reasonably certain that digital transformation will enable by radically interoperable data, artificial intelligence, and open secure platform, and it will change a lot from what we have now.
Okay. And then lastly, we will move to the other side, which is military. Wait, I will. You still following us, sir? Oh, yes, sir.
Yep, following you.
Yeah, so that's all the way to the right side, it's military.
So now we are going to talk about the military sector, where we imagine a future with firstly new types of weapons, such as the laser or plasma guns, which are more powerful. Then, yes. Above all, we think that it's robots and AI that will greatly develop in this sector because it will greatly avoid human losses. So we have autonomous humanoid robots, war drones, and powerful robots. Finally, another advance will probably be made in vehicles, and in particular air, with more efficient aircraft approaching more and more spaceships, maybe, as well as other technologies such as coatings that can make vehicles undetectable, like you can see in the video. And that's all.
Okay, that's basically everything covered, sir. Enough, right?
All right, thank you, Alex. Is the presentation complete? Done?
Yeah, we don't have anything more.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, the future 2035 team.
Yes.
I think this is very informative as well. Very structured presentation. Interesting location, though you did not use the entire location, but you really used this huge lecture space as the main place to display three very distinct uses of advanced technology, which has very much to do with IT as well. So very good. Thank you very much for this presentation. Good job.
Thank you.
Over to you, Dr. Goh, and the next team.
Yes, okay. So it is very interesting for this group that you present in three sections. One is the healthcare, and then after that with the military, that you show the different type of future weapon. This is very interesting. So I like your presentation, and it's very creative as well. Well done. You can come back now, Matthias and group. The next group, they are moving out to somewhere. So I think you have the last team link, right, Charles?
Yes, I
They
am.
did not tell me what is their link. They have moved out already.
Okay, wait. I'm refreshing.
Thank you very much. Awesome presentation. Very good. With the military weapon, the future military weapon. Okay, so Charles, we will wait for them.
Okay. Overall, I think.
Might need.
Yeah, so far I'm seeing that many of them have chosen the right assets for the right presentation, and the assets really reflect the point that they want to make in terms of how IT is going to be applied in future. Applied to which technology? There's automation, there's robotics, even military. That's interesting. So then you also have healthcare, but a lot of emphasis on healthcare, and of course commerce. And we also see NFT, we see crypto transactions, etc. And also there's cybersecurity. One team talk about cybersecurity, but more on the healthcare side. But yeah, I think everyone has been exploring this quite well.
Okay, Charles, I sent you some message. So we are waiting for them to join. Pukai.
Okay.
Charles, I sent you some message in the WhatsApp. Please
Got
have
it.
a look.
Got it.
Pukai, can you hear us? Pukai, are you all ready, Pukai? Okay, yes.
Okay.
So when you are ready, just tell Dr. Charles where is your avatar, and then you can start to present.
Okay. I show my screen.
不是在那个里面，要看到你的那个头像，他们特是你的一个形象。
Yeah, take your time to explain.
就在这里，在这个 Frame IO 里面。就是在这个 Frame IO 里面，然后你是可以。
哦。
就开这个麦，没有麦。
I can see that all of you have a very good design. If you can move around and show us, then that would be good as well. You can just tell us what are they in 1 or 2 words.
Can you hear me?
Yes, can.
Okay.
So what is this? Is this the flying car?
In the future, people will be able to leave the Earth, and human science and technology has improved a lot than before. First of all, you can see two soldiers welcome us and to painting on the wall. Now I'm on the space station. I can see the
space station, the new space station. Yeah, we can see it. I saw that video just now.
I can see the space. I look to the right. This is a conference room, and its designs is very important, interesting, and simple. People can clearly to see the big green screen in the center. At the same time, the future technology can make the heavy object float in the air, and display it 360 degrees in all aspects. Okay, I think is all.
Okay, have you finished?
Yeah, finished.
Okay, Xiaoheng and Wenjun, do you all want to present, or is that all for your presentation? Okay, is that all?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, they may be not prepared. Do you want to say something? Okay, it's all.
That's all. Okay, thank you very much. Charles, I can see that they have a very creative and innovative idea of the flying cars, so which is very good. Well done. Over to you. I think this is the last group. Charles, we will wrap up before we end the session. Thank you.
All right. So Thank you very much for all groups. So all groups, I think all of you done a phenomenal job using Frame VR to actually present the future of IT. I think it's really quite amazing, and I'm really happy to see how you have applied 3D assets into your frame environment. And because you use 3D assets, you take advantage of the spaces to actually explain it by incorporating slides and images and animated images, a range of different assets, which is very interesting to see. And it creates a lot more interest than just a two-dimensional slideshow. You could have used just the share screen to do the slideshow, but many of you opted not to do that. And therefore, I think it's, as Dr. Goh mentioned, it's very innovative use of a 3D environment space. And I can see there's so much more response to do this. And I want to congratulate all of you for a job well done. So I think this is a very good start in exploring a virtual learning environment and using virtual learning environment to exhibit knowledge and talking through knowledge, something that you cannot do in real life very easily, but in such a huge space, virtual space, you can actually do quite a lot of things. So over to you, Dr. Goh.
I hope that they have learned something and all of you have learned something for the future and of IT. That might be your imagination for now, for the future of IT, but you present them in the virtual reality world. The reason why I want to ask you to leave this room is because to create a virtual presence of you, not inside the classroom, that you do the presentation to your class in the Frame IO. I hope that you have learned something from this Frame IO. It is a virtual reality space or platform for you that maybe perhaps in future you will not be using the Teams or Zoom or even the Google Slide for your classes anymore. We might be having this type of classes. That is what we call the metaverse. Okay, so I just want to share with you different type of technologies in this IT fundamental class. And I also brought you to VORTEX to try out some different equipment like the HoloLens and also all the things that you can experience in the virtual reality or augmented reality world. I hope that you have learned something for this semester as well. So Charles, thank you very much for your time. I will catch up with you later. Thank you, Charles.
You're most
and
welcome.
Can end the session for the streaming video as well.
Thank you.
Thank you, Charles.
You're most
I will
welcome.
catch up with you later.
Most
okay,
welcome.
thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, everybody. Have fun. Bye.
Okay, thank you. Bye.